guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe and like and just join family here because I'm fun. Okay, so I just have to stop doing that. And welcome. And yeah, I'm talking about all the trendy stuff of makeup 2020. As you see, it's all what is trendy. What was I going to say? What is? Anyway, so if you want to see how I get this, and if you want to know tips and tricks and makeup hacks and some fun trendy makeup looks, so keep on watching. And don't forget to comment, because how would I know that you were here if you don't comment, you know what I mean? Anyway, so let's get into the video. This video would be this clip. It's kind of trendy right now, but it's also helping me doing my makeup right and not over my hair. So a lot of a glowing base, that's what usually right now trendy, and glitter all over. So that's why I have already glitter on my body. So just so you know, it's glitter, it's shimmer, it's trendy. All this shimmer, like body shimmer and stuff that started like already from 2019, but it's still here, it's still very trendy. So that's the first trend. I have SPF on already, and I've moisturized my face. And also one of the trend is to put this self-tanning drops on your face, so your face will look like tan and nice, also matching your body. So I'm doing this like once a week or so, and I'm mixing it with my moisturizer. The primer that I'm gonna use is gonna be shocking because I never talked about it. Actually, that's a lie, I'm always talking about this. I love this so much. This is Becca First in Life primer, and I love using it, and it's also hydrating and also glowing, so it's also trendy. And if you like more glow, I would get the one with like sparkle, and it's like yellow kind of beige primer, but I love this purple one because it just makes my redness kind of go away. So it's a good primer. So I'm gonna apply that with my finger. If I want more of highlight, like more glowy and glossy looking skin, I'm gonna go with this Becca. I'm gonna do this right now on my cheekbones and brow bone, a little bit on my bridge of the nose and some on my upper lip, because it looks, and on my chin, because it makes a lot different. And then I'm gonna go with foundation on top, and then it's gonna look even more glowy and glossy and beautiful. Just gonna go with my fingers, so you see it's very intense. A little bit goes a long way with this. So yeah, I like to apply it before my foundation, so that way I can blend it with my foundation, and then it will look more natural. So part of the 2020 trend is to look natural, but like you're naturally looking beautiful. And I'm all about this trend, like the 90s vibe. Everything is coming back. These clips, short hair. I mean, I tried, I couldn't go shorter than that. It's like, I can't. I used to have a really long hair, and I was really into this trend. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to my hair salon, I'm gonna cut my hair. I went there, it didn't happen. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm gonna go with my pore primer, and it's by Benefit. Just gonna go over here. It's not part of the trend, I just need it. Okay, let's go with the foundation. I don't know what foundation I'm gonna use. This is a really good foundation, and it still look very natural looking on your skin, and it's from the drugstore. This Flower Beauty foundation. It's more for a dry skin, but I can make it work. I just put a lot of translucent powder on top, and then it's fine for me. But we're all about the glassy and glowing skin right now. That's kind of the trend. So this is really good. And it's also from the drugstore. So if you're looking for something, it's kind of like medium to full coverage, I would say. And it's good. Okay, let's apply it on. And it will be like, I need to shake it, I think. This is in the shade Natural Beige M1. And it comes with a pump. Like, I love when foundation comes with a pump. So it's a win-win. Look how glowing and beautiful it looks already. Part of the trend is the concealer should be almost the same color as your skin. So don't go too light on the concealer. And this is in the shade Light Beige. This is Too Faced Born This Way concealer. The applicator is so good as well. I'm gonna take this Cover FX translucent setting powder, and it's perfect. That's what it says. It says perfect setting powder, but it is really good. Part of the trend is also to use a lot of mist, you know, and kind of face mist. So I will use this one. It's like a soft makeup setting spray by Somervile, and it's also SPF 50. I mean, I'll give it a shot. I mean, it's not new. I just haven't used it in like a while since I got it. So okay, it has a funny smell. And on top of that, I'm gonna use another of my usual setting spray by Urban Decay. So everything in the 2020 trend, it is cream product. So I'm gonna use the Chanel bronzer, and this is a cream bronzer to bronze up my skin a little. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just apply it with a beauty blender. It will look much more natural. Yeah, it gives it such a nice look with this bronzer. Part of the trend, it's not to use contour stuff. It's more of bronzy and blush, kind of this 2020 trend. Like, as much as all of this trend is a trend, if something is not working for you and you try it on yourself and you don't like it, just stick to things that you like on yourself. Even though it's trendy, it doesn't mean like you have to do it. It's fun to try something new. So blush, it's more of like a cream blush, but in a natural way. I mean, you can go pink and stuff. I'm gonna use this one by Fenty Beauty. This cream blush is so cute and so natural. Like, this is Petal Poppin'. It looks amazing on the skin. Put it on with the same beauty blender. I'm just changing the side. This is the side where I used the bronzer, and I'm gonna just change it and apply the blush. So for highlight, it's usually very, very natural. Like, the trend right now is not a beaming highlight. It's just very, very natural, glowing. But I'm gonna use the same highlight as I use under my foundation. So I'm gonna use the same highlight, but just a tiny bit, and blending it in so it will look seamless and not really beaming, but you know, still there. And I love my brow bone highlight, so I'm gonna apply more there. Part of the trend is a very bushy brows, and you know, we all love this feathery looking brows, full and beautiful. So I'm gonna show you how I like this trend. I mean, it's kind of like people getting a hard time achieving it, but it's pretty easy if you have all the right product. Easier, but just brush it up first, and then I like to use this Dior brow pencil just underneath to create like a bigger, fuller brows, but whatever brow pencil works for you. And you just, you know, hitting like a strokes, like hair strokes. Always brush it up and then go again where you just need it. I like using this one, Brow Stylist by L'Oreal. This brow gel is with like a tinted brow gel. It looks really good, and it's also holding everything in place, so I'm going to use that. On top of that, I'm gonna go with the 24-hour gel, brow gel by Benefit, and it's just such a good brow setter, and this won't move at all. Okay, for eyeshadow, they usually goes with a lots of sparkle, like glitter all over the lid, like one eyeshadow, or they going with like bold liner, which I'm so excited about because I really wanted to try this product by Anastasia, and it's very, like, these colors are so trendy and they are very neon-y, so I might use this white liner. It's gonna be bold, but I think I'm gonna like it, so I'm gonna try it today. But for like setting my product on my eyelid, I'm just gonna use this palette by Huda Beauty, and this is a rose pastel color palette, and I'm just gonna use this color that it's kind of a peachy undertone. I'm just going to set everything here with a fluffy brush. And actually, it's a really beautiful color. If you're just gonna throw this color all over the lid and get out the house, you could. It's actually nice. I'm gonna take this kind of brush. It's a liner brush, very tiny. And I'm gonna take the Nervina collection. What's it called? Cake liner. It's very nice. But I don't know what color I'm gonna use. I think I want to go with the white one. So let's dip in the white with this liner. Oh my god, it's so creamy. Wow, so creamy. Oof. Okay, let's apply it on here. Another trend that everybody call it the cat eye. Right now it's called the foxy eye trend, so it's also really trendy, but it was trendy all the time. It was the cat eye look. I need to also put an inner corner highlight because that's also trendy, but a very glitter highlight, so that's exciting. Okay, so as you see, it's very beautiful. Like, I would go with this trend. It's really nice, especially with the white liner. I really don't mind. It looks amazing. Now I'm gonna do my mascara. There is really no trend in the mascara. You just gonna put your favorite mascara. I'm gonna use the mcgrath Petite Lash Mascara because it's one of my favorite at the moment. Part of the trend is to apply on your bottom lashes, like a lot. I mean, my bottom lashes are so long, I don't know if it's part of the trend to... I mean, I like it. I mean, so far I like this look so much. Part of the tip that I can give you today is clean your mascara problems with your brow brush, but wait for it to dry and then clean it up, because when it's dry it's easy to like flake off from your eyelid. But if you will use it when it's wet, it maybe create a little bit more messy look, so wait for it to dry and then clean it with a brow brush. do it very, very gently. Don't pull up the skin. Faux freckles are so in, and there is even this cute little freck tool for that you can buy at Urban Outfitters, which I did. Now let me find where it is because it might be in the other room. So usually you just create natural freckles, like you have naturally freckly beautiful skin, but without damaging it from the sun. So I usually like to apply it like right here, some on my nose, and right here as well. So let me grab it really quick. Great, I found it. So this is the cute freck tool. It's very tiny, but it does the job really well. You see the brush? It's just going to create this tiny faux freckles. The way to apply it, like on the first time that I got it, I didn't really know how to apply it, so I'm gonna show you right now. So you put like a couple dots here and there, like very random, and then you just tap on it on the first time that you have it. So it will look like that. So cute, right? And you can go over it more. That looks freaking cute. Like, I like to apply it where my highlight, going on my nose as well, you know. And also another tip, if you have like breakout somewhere, just apply freck on top so it looks like you have a freckle there or something. It's not like a breakout. Don't be scared to make a mess because it's fine. So part of the hair trend, it's either clips or either straight hair, like lip gloss look. So I don't know how is that a trend of 2020 because we're putting a mask on and it's so not comfortable to wear a lip gloss when you have face mask on. But anyway, this is a trend and it's all about the natural lips and everything. I'm going to apply a Jefree Star first, lip gloss in the shade Control Freak, and the Becca on top, and it's really pretty gloss, and I don't know what shade it is. Brilliant, maybe? I'm not sure, but this together, I'm gonna apply that right now. Such a beautiful nude, pinky nude gloss from Jefree Star. It smells amazing. Look how juicy it looks. Then on top I'm gonna go with the Becca. This one doesn't smell that good. It just plumps a little bit more. So, and yeah, natural looking 2020 trend, you know. So I really enjoyed doing this trendy makeup look with you guys. And also go over to my blog because I'm going to do like a blog post on this 2020 makeup trend, and you can find it on liveshine.com. Also, you can find me on TikTok. Check out my IG because I'm almost about to hit 100,000, so I would love to have you there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look and this trendy trend of 2020. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!